Oh yeah, very nice. This is landmark 81. It's kind of like where the wealthy live, the well-to-do, and that building right there is also a hotel, and obviously the residences in the backdrop, several buildings, super nice. Look at that. I tell you, picnic game is strong here. Oh, this is awesome, Stu. This is nice.
Nice building.
I like it.
3 elevator banks. You got this whole side over here and 2 over here.
All right. And it's predominantly foreigners, or do you think it's a mix? 50-50 Vietnamese?
At least 50-50. Mostly, it seems like a lot of Vietnamese, obviously. Koreans.
Right.
You get a few Western foreigners, but not a huge amount. That's kind of why I like it.
You.
I feel like I'm at home. I don't want to be at home. I want to be
Right. Exactly. So take this one. Fantastic. Stu, man, thanks again for, dude, really, thanks again for allowing me to shoot your place. I was talking to Mike earlier today, and I said, "You been to this new place yet, Stu's new place?" I said, "No, but I've been to the old place." I said, "Was it nice?" I said, "Yeah." He said it was very nice.
They got these two clear elevators, which are pretty awesome. And I will say, since last time I was here, they cleaned them. They're a lot cleaner than they used to be.
Nice. There's a few streaks, but for the
No,
most
that's not-
part.
That's in this area. It used to be on the outside there. It looks like
I see from the
probably took them a
outside.
year, but
Dude, this is nice. So your view is of the city.
my view's this way.
Oh, this way. Gotcha.
Yeah, yeah.
This is your view.
This is my side.
So you
right
get
here.
to the Batexco building, and you get the bridge. I love that bridge
Yeah,
right there. At
yeah.
night, it lights up real nice.
Now, this time I'm on 32.
Uh-huh.
Last year when I was here, I was on 46, and 46 has the tremendous view because you get above like all these other buildings too.
Dude, my
but-
ears popping.
People say that all the time. I'm used to it, I guess.
Oh man, that is a gorgeous view of the river. At night, that probably lights up with the bridge.
Yeah. It's a beautiful view at night. I'll have to get you in here one time to see it at night.
Oh, for
Film that
sure.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, I'll show you that.
All right. Art.
All right, sure.
Wow.
Yeah, so this one, like I said, last time I was on 46, but I was in the middle. So when you walk in, you see this, but that room too, all of it at once. It's just a tremendous panoramic view. Come on over here, and you'll see you get the full view here from the living room.
Oh, I was trying to turn off the lights. Turn on the lights, I'm sorry.
There we go.
Oh, dude. That's nice. When you're sitting on this couch here getting
Oh,
the
yeah.
view, that is sweet.
Yeah, the view's great. We can go outside too in the patio if you want.
You know, one of the things that I was concerned about for me ever staying here was I always thought that this was going to be too low, but evidently it's high enough. Although I enjoy the thrill of heights, I get scared of heights.
Do you really?
So, yeah, man, like this I'm not scared because the
Yeah.
bar is high. You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
some some are lower, you
Yeah,
know. I
totally.
mean, and so this, I
Yeah.
feel pretty comfortable.
Yeah, yeah. Well, like I said too, on 46, I'm over all of this, so I can see above. I can see almost all of downtown, the District 1. I can see across all these buildings too. But here, I'm a little lower. But there's a secret. I'll show you in a second. On
Okay.
this one, the benefit. I had one place one time. They had a little fold-out counter right here.
Oh,
couple
nice.
Of chairs. You can hang on the patio. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah,
And
you
at
can put a
night-
little
at night
chair.
This view's even better.
Oh,
mean,
I can
the night
imagine.
It's really amazing. Just shut that there.
That's pretty nice, dude.
I mean, I set up my little workstation here too, so whatever. I mean, they've got all the little accoutrement. Nothing too fancy schmancy, but it works. And guest bedroom.
The guest bedroom
Yeah,
here.
with the same view. I mean, this is a wonderful view for the guests. Right?
Oh my gosh, this
Yeah.
is the guest bedroom.
Yeah.
That is amazing. Well, this doesn't suck. This does
don't
not
know.
suck.
Well, let me show you then the other. So the main bedroom. So in the like I said in 46th floor when I was staying there last year, all 3 bedrooms face the same way.
Gotcha.
And it's right in the middle too, so it's this huge, big panoramic view. But here, this one has a different little twist. It faces the main bedroom faces this way, which I kind of like.
Oh, so the main
Yeah.
bedroom, this one.
Yeah, this
Oh.
faces out here, so you get a little bit of a
Interesting.
variety of the view.
variety of
It's
views.
wonderful, yeah.
Oh, this is great, dude. And you're going to get, let me see. Does this get the afternoon sun?
It does.
So
But
that
it's
gets
always-
a little hotter.
It,
yeah.
it does, but you know what's like here. It's cloudy all the time, so it's not like you're getting direct sunlight.
But I like that the patio doesn't get the afternoon sun, so
right.
that way you can chill in the patio.
Yeah, totally.
Down there, what's that little? Is that a restaurant area?
No, I have no idea. I was looking at that last night.
That looks
It looks
nice.
like it's got to be restaurants and little gazebos.
Yeah, little gazebos. That look
neat.
pretty nice. I'll have to check that out. Man.
Yeah.
So this
yeah.
is nice.
It works.
Space is nice.
2 bathroom, decent storage space here. you know,
Okay.
Closet stuff, and the bathrooms are all reasonable. They're not huge, but the shower's a little tight. But what are you gonna do?
From a Western standpoint,
Yeah, but they're nice though. You know, they
Yeah.
work.
I think it works really well. Do you use the tub at all?
Nah, I've never used a tub. To me, it's kind of a waste. I wish they just made the space bigger and took out the
As a
tub.
bigger shower, yeah.
Oh yeah, bigger
Yeah.
showers, a little more.
That would have
space
been
in
nice.
there.
Yeah. How's the storage space here? Is it pretty good? Oh
not
man,
great.
look
It's not
at the
great.
sliding
I've just got
doors.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
That's over here. It's not too bad. All my undies and stuff.
We'll edit the undies out. I'll gray out the undies. The undies.
Yeah, and second bathroom here, same thing, same layout out here. So it works, you know. It's nice having 2 bathrooms.
It's just convenient. You don't want people in your stuff, and then you can.
totally.
Oh, this is sweet, brother.
Yeah, I like it, and I'll tell you what, it's different. The 1 bedrooms in this building compared to the 2 bedroom,
Right.
they're a lot more expensive. Not saying a lot more expensive. They're modestly more expensive, but they have so much more room. The 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bath have twice as big a living room.
Sure.
The other places are tiny. I mean, they're like right in here.
Gotcha.
And it just feels tight.
Feels tight.
So I don't even need the other bedroom, but I like the space
Right.
just to be able to kind of feel free and clear during the
I
day.
agree with you. Especially if you're a Western, you're coming from San Francisco as well.
Yeah.
So you're used to a certain type of living, and this
Yeah,
is nicer
yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
Huge size refrigerator.
Yeah.
This is your washing machine here.
Yeah, it's got the washer dryer thing, the spin dry.
Oh, so it's a combination washer and dryer.
Yeah, which is really nice.
That is nice.
Yeah, without that, it's substandard.
Oh, we got the shoe rack here too. Yeah, and the clothes hamper or the clothes jackets and stuff. Was it mostly shoes?
It's mostly shoes. And some empty
I
space.
see.
I don't even use this much at all. I just keep my shoes
gotcha.
on the ground here.
Brother.
And this, when I walked in too, this table was over here.
Oh, so they put the table over
Yeah,
here.
I
That
didn't-
doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make any sense. It's like all out of the way. So I'm sitting here working and I'm like looking at this. And I said,
Right.
you know what? I'm going to move my stuff over here.
That makes perfect sense. Moving.
Yeah.
Table over
Little
here.
Cord problem here, but I fixed
But
it.
that's okay. Yeah. Do you cook a lot? Not really, or
a couple times a week. I like to cook here. I
Okay.
like healthy food, so I like to cook my own. But there's obviously a million places to eat.
Oh
close
yeah,
by,
nearby.
yeah.
So totally, dude.
It works.
I
It works,
like it.
You know.
I like it a lot. So I hope you like Stu's place and the tour of his apartment. I really enjoyed it. I love this landmark 81 area. I was so excited after seeing Stu's place that I made a phone call to the leasing agent that got Stu the apartment to see if there was anything available for me to try out for one night. There wasn't, but one thing led to another, and I found myself on Agoda, and I got this place, again, just for one night, just to test it out. A couple things to really note about renting in Southeast Asia compared to the US. It's not going to be the same. I think when we're living in the US, you don't realize how efficient and how effective things are because you don't have a comparison. I believe that's why people get upset oftentimes when things don't go well or don't go the way they plan in the US, because things for the most part is quite efficient and quite effective relative to other parts of the world, especially in places like Vietnam, that's a developing country. First off, we'll just do a room tour of this place, and then I'll just explain some of the things as we go along, all right? So I am on the 10th floor, and this is the entrance. I believe this door goes to another room, but it's obviously locked. And this is your shoe rack. Kind of like a little storage. You can put your keys. Really nice cubby area. And I had booked a 1-bedroom, but this is a 3-bedroom unit, which is excellent, obviously. You definitely have your basic items here. Full-size refrigerator, microwave, 3 convection tops, rice cooker, hot pot. No dishwasher, but you have your pots and pans as well as your glasses and cups. Utensils. Let me open this up. There we go. A little workstation right there. And this is my view. Not a bad view. Let me get outside here to show you what we have. That being said, I do want to set expectations. So when I was using the hot water, the shower yesterday and this morning, the hot water would fluctuate. And so I was using this particular shower, again, really nice. But expect when you are in Southeast Asia that this will happen. Or this can happen, and often does happen, irrespective of whether it's a 5-star place or a 1-star place. This is my bedroom that I stayed in last night, one of the guest bedrooms. Has the same view as the living room area. Here is the second guest bedroom, similar to the first guest bedroom. And the beds are really, really nice, super comfortable. It's one of those hotel beds, I believe, that you would see. And this is the master. I didn't stay in the master. I did sit on the master bed, but I didn't sleep in it just because I didn't feel like I needed to. I'm just staying here by myself. and it also has a porch area. Nice work table here. So here's the bathroom, the master. Very nice. There are some tears on this chair, some cigarette butt burns, it looks like to me, but not a big deal per se. I'm just pointing this out not as a criticism as much as it is setting your expectations. I've been living in Southeast Asia for a while now, and so things like that, the holes in the chair, really does not bother me relative to other things that I've experienced. Not really a big deal. But yeah, very nice. So 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and the master bedroom. There's a very nice shopping mall here too. And of course, I could not capture every aspect of this area. There's so much more to see and do at Landmark 81. And as I mentioned earlier, they ran out of the 1 bedroom apartment, so gave me the 3 bedroom apartment for only $48 USD. There are several different landlords that own these units, and they often contract with several different agencies to manage it. So if you're on Agoda, you'll find many agencies offering similar apartments. Just inquire about your specific building and specific views as needed. Now, I don't normally stay in a place like this as it's much higher end than I'm used to, but maybe you're used to higher end places. So please remember that a higher end apartment or hotel room in Southeast Asia in a developing country may not have the same higher end efficiency, process, and quality as ones in the US, Canada, Australia, UK, or certain parts of Europe. So tell me what you think. Would you stay in Stu's apartment if you can afford what he's paying? Now why or why not? Or how about the 1 bedroom for $48 per night? If you found any of this video useful, entertaining, or inspiring, please drop a like, please comment, and please subscribe. And please forward this to anyone you think that might benefit from this kind of content. I'm sure you know someone that's interested. And thank you so much for watching. I'm grateful and privileged for your support, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.